Hi, it's Cheryl from That's What She Said, and today we are going to be making these adorable mini mummy pumpkins. These are great for class projects or group activities. So the supplies you're going to need are a mini pumpkin. You can use real or a faux pumpkin, some Google eyes, and then I picked up this medical tape, this white paper medical tape, as well as some gauze at the Dollar Tree, and I just cut those gauze into strips. So using the tape makes this really easy for all age groups to be able to make this project. So if you're working with younger kids, you're going to want to have an adult just use a little bit of hot glue to apply the googly eyes to your pumpkin. They also make adhesive backed googly eyes. You could use those as well. Then I'm going to take a little piece of the white paper medical tape and one of the strips of gauze, and I'm just going to start attaching the gauze to the pumpkin. It's super easy. Just start at one end, add a little piece of tape, wrap it around the pumpkin, and then add another piece of tape. Continue adding the gauze strips until your pumpkin looks like a mummy.